How to remove green screen in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Canva and then upload the image where you want to remove the green screen. After that, you would be able to find this option of background remover. Simply click on it and just wait for it to do its work. And this is how easy it is to remove the green screen. Now you can just simply resize it accordingly. And this is how easy it is. In case if you are on a free version, then you can just simply open up the apps and here search for background remover or background eraser. Simply select it and select the very first one, or you can also try the other ones as well if you want to, and then just simply click on them and then open up. After that, select the image where you want to remove the background, and this way you would be able to remove the background. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.